Well, today, a Wickliffe mother appeared in court on reckless homicide and child endangerment charges. 41-year-old Krystal Krause was arrested last week in connection to the 2023 death of her 2-month-old son. Annabelle Childers is live in our newsroom. You were there, of course, in the courtroom today. What did you learn?
Well, Christy, like you just said, this incident at the center of the case happened nearly 3 years ago in Wickliffe. And today, Wickliffe police did share some information about that situation and how it unfolded. They say they were called to a home on Ridge Road in November 2023 for reports of an unresponsive child. There, they found a 2-month-old boy who was later pronounced dead. We don't know the exact circumstances of the baby's death, but Wickliffe police say Krystal Krause was the baby's biological mother. Last month, the case was presented to a grand jury, and April 7th, they indicted Krause on 2 felony counts: reckless homicide and child endangerment. She was arrested April 8th, which brings us to today's arraignment hearing. It was very short and straightforward. Krystal Krause's public defender entered her plea of not guilty and then discussed bond.
There was a recommendation from the state for $10,000 bond with 10% cash surety. We would join in that recommendation for her bond of $10,000, 10% cash surety, noting lack of a prior felony record other than a prior reckless homicide charge in endangering children.
After hearing that recommendation, the judge set Krause's bond at $25,000, meaning she'd have to pay 10% of that to be released. But going back to what Krause's defense attorney said, court records show Krause has been convicted of reckless homicide and endangering children before, in connection to the death of her other child. This happened in 2009. Cuyahoga Falls police responded to reports that a 3-year-old child had drowned. According to a police report we obtained from them, they interviewed Krystal Krause, the boy's mother, and she told them she had gone to the bathroom for 10 minutes while the boy was playing in the living room. After leaving the bathroom, she says she heard a scream from her father, and she realized her son had gone outside and fallen in the pool. Now today, Krause did have family in the courtroom supporting her. We're still waiting for information on when the next hearing is going to take place in this case, and at 5:30 we'll have more details on this situation.
All right, appreciate you filling us in, Annabelle. Thank you.